Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply log into your Cash App. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. For the matter, you have to access a particular Cash App on your mobile phone. Once you have done it, you can tap on this sign in option. Here in the sign in section, you're going to find this option called enter your phone or email. Right, you're going to enter your phone or email that you would prefer to create your account with. Once you're tapped on it, tap on this next option. I will prefer phone number for you. And then afterwards, you're going to find this kind of interface. If you have added your email, you're going to find please enter the code sent to your email's information. You will get an email there in your inbox. Go ahead, check it, copy the link, copy the code, paste it over here. If you have added your number, you will get a text on your mobile number. Paste the text and tap on next afterwards again. And now it will simply ask for you to enter your particular zip code of your area or your region. Go ahead, search it up if you don't know. If you know, simply add in, tap on next afterwards below. And now it will simply ask for you to create yourself a cash tag or a name which will be shown there while you are getting paid by anyone or doing any transaction. Then you're going to find the final step of yours is simply adding the debit or credit or the bank of yours to upload some money to your Cash App to make your payments easier for any other activity of yours. So you're going to enter the debit card number, and once you're done, you can simply tap on this next and simply follow the other prompts given by Cash App itself, confirm it, and you are good to go. If you would like to skip it for a while, you can skip it as well. That's the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.